So you're thinking of moving to Brantford. Welcome, my name is Joanne Acre and I'm a local realtor. And today in this video, I'm gonna go over tips for packing and moving and 10 mistakes to avoid. And if this is your first time to the channel, please like and subscribe for more useful videos. And if you stick around to the end, it's gonna make your move a whole lot easier. As well, whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, call, text, or email me and I'm happy to help with your search. So the first mistake you want to avoid is not decluttering as you pack. Many people just grab the boxes, bins, totes, whatever, throw everything in, take it to the new place, and then now they have to unload all this stuff, not sure where to put it. You're either putting stuff in random places or you're repackaging it and then storing it again until your next move, never to be seen again. So it's always good to have a bin for garbage and donation. Designate it as you go along. So put things for donation or garbage and then get rid of it. For donating items here in Brantford, the SPCA, they love getting blankets, sheets, towels, any condition. It keeps the cages warm for the animals and they really appreciate it. And then there's a lot of, like Nova Vita is a women's shelter. They also help out with the men's shelter. So kids, women, men, anyone basically, there's that. Many places to donate your stuff to. The second mistake people make is to overcomplicate their move. They get spreadsheets, Excel spreadsheets. They do a color system. They decide, let's do like a different color per room. So do like pink for the girls' room, blue for the boys' room, green for the garden stuff. And then you have all these people helping you with the move and they don't know where to put stuff. So keep it simple. Grab simple boxes and just label it. If you took stuff out of your kitchen, label it kitchen on the top and on the side. Maybe put what those kitchen items are. If they're plates, bowls, and cups, write that. If they're cutlery, don't overcomplicate it. And then when you have people helping you, when you move into the new house, people will recognize what the kitchen looks like and it says kitchen on the box and they will know where to help and it'll streamline it and make your move a lot more efficient. The third mistake people make is wasting money on big totes and bubble wrap and all these packaging items, and you're just doing a simple move where you're going from one place to the next and you don't need all these boxes or totes or anything. I suggest one of the cheaper places to get boxes is U-Haul, so you can get boxes that way, and then when you're done, donate them, put them on Facebook Marketplace. And the other great thing is go on Facebook Marketplace and look for people getting rid of their boxes or selling them for cheap and then repurpose them again to the next person. That will really help just not have all this extra clutter when you moved into your new house. And another trick, when you're packing dishes, use paper plates in between, and this way it will help prevent breaking. And when you're unpacking and you're eating your pizza, you can grab a paper plate and just toss it when you're done. And then number 4 tip you want to avoid when packing is using black garbage bags. Black garbage bags can be very handy for packing up your clothes, but if you have other people helping you, they may get thrown away, and this can happen and is a very common occurrence. So my suggestion is using clear garbage bags or translucent, something where you can see what's in the bag so it does not accidentally get thrown out. The 5th mistake you want to avoid is taking every little thing out and packing it up individually. There's a lot of smaller furniture, small like jewelry boxes. You don't need to take all those things out. And some smaller pieces of furniture, you can just use Saran Wrap to wrap around the item so that it stays closed. You don't have to worry about it opening up or spilling out. And this way you can have less boxes and move more efficiently. So highly suggest that as well. I guess I'll use another handout. 6th mistake, don't wait till the last minute. A lot of people procrastinate and they think, oh, it's not going to take much time. And I've actually had a seller, they were at the property until midnight. The new buyers were very accommodating and they allowed them to finish packing, but clearly they were probably not happy, although they pretended they were. So definitely start off with your seasonal items that you're not using, pack them up, put them away and get those out of the way. Things that you don't always use, like board games. You're busy packing anyways. There's no time for board games. Books, holiday decor. If it's summer, pack up all of your Christmas decorations, get them packed up. Do a box or two a day, and this way, when it comes to moving day, you'll be ready. So every day, just plan to do something little to help prepare you with your move. Number 7, have an essentials basket for immediate use. Things like when you get to your new place, toilet paper, you're gonna have people helping you. You're gonna be drinking. Some people might get a case of beer afterwards. Soap to wash your hands. Cleaning supplies so you can clean your new place and have it ready. Also, you're gonna wanna eat, probably getting takeout, so have some paper plates, napkins, cups. Probably gonna be eating. It's an easy way to entertain, so have just a few essential items ready so you're good to go and entertain and on the cheap. The 8th tip, don't pack all of your clothes. You're still gonna need stuff. So my suggestion for each person in the house, give them a suitcase. Act as if you're going away on a vacation. Pack a few days worth of clothing. Pack your favorite toiletries, your creams, whatever you might use for the next few days so that you're ready and prepared and you don't have to be looking through boxes last minute. Just have everything ready. You'll be prepared. And then number 9 tip I have is don't think you're gonna remember how to put everything together. There's a lot of electronics, TVs, computers. They have a lot of cables involved. Take a picture before you disassemble things, different furniture items. Take a picture. And then this way, when you go to put it back together, you have something to reference and you can easily put it back together, and it'll save time and aggravation and the hassle of everything. Take a picture is all I can say, and it will really help you in the end. The 10th and final tip I have is clean before packing. You're only going to be taking new dirt or old dirt to your new place, and you don't want this. So as you're packing, have a little kit of things to clean up, like have a spray bottle with a cloth to wipe or a Clorox wipes to wipe everything down. And this way you can be ready to go. And when you move into your new place, everything will be clean and ready and easy. So there's my 10 tips for you to help with your move. If you have any questions, call, text, or email me. I'm happy to help with your move. And I'd love to have, well, I guess with search and finding you a new home. I hope you found this informative. If you can also drop in the comment section below what you would like to know more about in regards to Brantford and surrounding area, or any other questions you may have in regards to buying and selling. So take care and bye for now.